two-sided ruler constructions. Find the points where two circles meet. And the circles are defined by a center and 1 point on the circumference and a center and 1 point on the circumference. And we're not going to draw any circles because all we have is the two-sided ruler. I'm going to label my points. Center of circle A, and it has a point R on its circumference. Center of circle B, and it has a point S on its circumference. First, I'm going to draw the lines I've got. This is the line that joins the centers of the circles. I have the line that joins the radius of A, and the line that joins a radius of B. Okay. The first move is to draw some lines through A and B that are perpendicular to this line that joins the centers. That's one of them. That's the other one. Next, I'm going to copy these radiuses down onto these lines. And call that point P. And could pull that point Q. Okay, that's done. Now I am going to mark the place where the line joining the points where the circles meets this line, so the shared chord. That's going to take me a little moment. Okay, I need to join P and Q. And I'm going to need to do the perpendicular bisector of P and Q. So first I need to find the center of P, and then I need to do the perpendicular to that because it's too short to cross a line. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to find the perpendicular line that's halfway between these two parallel lines first. I can see a parallelogram there. There's actually another one here, but I feel like those two points are going to be way too close together, so I'm just going to draw an extra one. Okay. Okay, so that's the center of PQ. Now I just need to draw a perpendicular. There it is. Okay, so, and now I need to copy this length down here. All right, I'll just need another one of these lines to do that. Okay, so I need kind of a couple of lines that go from here to B, and then lines that go from A to there. So I'm going to draw this line, and then down to B. I've already got this line through A, and I'm going to come down through there. And this point shall be called X. If I drew the circles and I found where they met and I joined those 2 points, so the shared chord, it would go through here when I joined them. Okay, now I need a line through X that's parallel to these existing lines, or if you like, perpendicular to that one. Actually, I have all the tools I need. I have these 3 parallel lines here, and if I join X to one of them, and then this to the other, that will be parallel. So actually that's very nicely set up already. So this line here is parallel to those 3 existing lines. Excellent. So this is the line where the points that the circles meet in are. And now finally, I need to do this distance divided by this distance and put it here, and then cross a line it, and I'll be good. I'm now finding where this circle meets this line. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to need to go parallel to XP. And I'm going to need a distance of 1 along this same line where X is. And actually I can mark that on the other side here. So that's my distance of 1. Okay, so that's my distance of 1. And I need to go parallel to that, parallel to this line there, and that should be the right distance. So to make a line parallel, I need 3 parallel lines. I have this one already. I'll need another one. It's just a little bit further on than from where X is. It's just here. Sorry, I'm just going to do that one in brown so it's easier to see. Okay, so there's these 3 parallel lines that meet this. I would like the line through this point. So we already have the line from here to here. It's not quite right though, it's a little... it's just here. And we see where it meets this one. And we do the line from here to here. And then this is the parallel line to this through here. So this is the distance I need to cross a line. From A to there. And I need to cross a line at the other way as well. And these are the points, I shall call them G and H, where the circles meet each other.